The Issues feature empowers frontline workers to report things that don't look right, be it observations, incidents, or hazards. Each reported issue also automatically brings in relevant teams so they can respond and collaborate to resolve it as quickly as possible. Please note that you must have the issue access permission to report issues. To report an issue, first, select Issues from the menu on the left-hand side. Now, click Report Issue on the top of the page. In the pop-up window, select the type of issue you're reporting. Then, enter a title and describe what has happened. To provide a bit more context, you can also add photos or even a video of the issue. Once you're ready, click Submit. This should automatically notify relevant users and/or groups for them to respond. If required, you can notify more team members for additional support by clicking Notify Someone. Now that team members are notified, you can provide more details by answering custom questions, adding comments or media attachments, or filling in the fields on the right-hand side. To help you and your team track changes that take place, the activities screen logs each update with timestamps in a conversational style. If you have location services enabled, you'll see that your location and the weather condition at the time are automatically captured as well. Once the issue has been addressed, you can click Resolve to mark it as done.